Everybody, greeting from Marvin from Honda Tech. Today I will introduce our gas sensor and with our vibration sensor and with our LORAWAN collector. And first I will introduce the sensor, and there are totally three sizes. And each size will integrate it. Inside this is the LORAWAN collector, and each size will integrate it with the air gas sensor and the vibration sensor. And first I will introduce the LORAWAN collector, and that is the LORAWAN collector with your logo information, and that is antenna, that is the power, and also the COM port for the config of the LORAWAN collector. And that is the red one is the 12 voltage DC, and black one is negative power supply. And also for this port connect the sensor, and there are two ports, one probe connector with the two sensor, and this one that is the vibration sensor, and lastly this is the magnetic part, and you can just install it very easy. For example, this is the metal, and then you just push it, then it can work. And also you can not use it, and that is the screws. You can also fix with your machine by the screws, so it's totally depends on you. And also that is our air gas sensor, and including the 10 parameters in this big lower box, and all of the gas sensors are integrated with the big lower box, and with the temperature, humidity, CO, oxygen, H2S, CH4, pressure, PM2.5, PM10, and noise gas sensor. All of them are integrated with this lower box with RF45 output. And then we integrate it with the two sensors and with this LORAWAN collector directly. And then we will, this one is the LORAWAN collector information, which you can import it with your LORAWAN gateway, and then the data will make the report to your LORAWAN gateway directly. Okay, and that is the introduce of this system. And this one, it is the install palette for the air gas sensor. And that is who introduced all these three sizes. And also, here is some of the config tools. And we will send you some spare label for you. And if any have problem, you just you can change it, replace it directly. Okay. And here is the config cable. And you can check it. That is the spare cable to use to make the config of the sensor or the collector, and that is the RF45 to USB connector, which you can connect the sensor to the PC end directly. And here is the label, and for each one LORAWAN collector information. Okay, and that is the basic produce of the whole system. If you have a problem, just send us inquiry, and we will also send you the LORAWAN proposal to you later. Thank you.